joining Motorindia's coverage here at ACMA Automechanika, New Delhi. Just to start with you, maybe if you can tell us an overview of what are you exhibiting here at the show and what are your expectations from the Delhi ACMA Automechanika.
Okay, thank you very much. So today we are exhibiting our complete product portfolio from engine components to filters to thermal parts as well as workshop equipments. And this is the first time for Mahle Aftermarket to showcase the complete product portfolio for all the segments from 2-3-wheeler to passenger applications to commercial parts as well as heavy duty and off-road applications.
Arijit, if you can elaborate on that and tell us more about the new launches, new products that customers can expect here in India, especially the aftermarket range from Mahle.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. I think this platform Automechanika is a huge platform for us to showcase our new product offerings, what we are going to introduce in the aftermarket. So as you know, we have various product categories right now. On the filtration side, for the first time, we are going to introduce the coolant filtration products and then some fragmented cabin filters, which are the first for Mahle in India. And apart from then, onto the thermal side, we are going to have the air cabin AC cooling kits, which are useful for the truck drivers in the country. And on the powertrain side, we are going to introduce gaskets, 2-wheeler and 3-wheeler gaskets. And apart from that, a lot of new applications of bearings, some cylinder kits. So whole lot of new products. We want to encash this platform, to take our portfolio information to across all categories.
As Arijit mentioned, the portfolio has a bouquet of offerings, and the Indian automotive aftermarket is also going through a rapid transformation and becoming more organized and more demanding. What are the key trends that Mahle is focusing on, and how do you think you can be part of that mega trends that is shaping the Indian automotive aftermarket?
Yes, the mega trends in India aftermarket is first of all the growth of the car park. So we see that and we anticipate that the growth of the car park is going to continue in the next years as well, thanks to increasing middle class and also increasing and developing the economy. So this is the mega trend in India aftermarket. The second one is the structure of the car park, and we see that as a very positive development for us because most of the car park is going to continue to be internal combustion engines as well as hybrid engines. So the impact coming from the battery electric vehicle in terms of the car park will not be that strong, at least the next 5-10 years. So this is quite positive situation for Mahle aftermarket, and we will continue to give all these offerings in our distribution network and channel partners. This is the very important mega trend for us.
Picking up on what you said about the distribution network and the on-ground team, how are you bolstering your strength in the aftermarket space, particularly with the distributors, the channel partners, and make sure that all the stakeholders and the end users are well equipped for this change and the mega trends?
See, as you know, Mahle has a very strong distribution network, and we are present across segments, right, from 2-wheeler to passenger vehicle to heavy duty to as well as I would say the industrial segment. So we have a very strong distribution footprint in India, and going forward we intend to further strengthen our distribution network and ensure that our product reaches every nook and corner of the country. So we have 647 districts across the country, and our endeavor is that our product, our brand should reach to the last district and the last village level. That is the ultimate goal. Having said that, apart from strengthening our distribution network, what is very important is we are going to invest highly into our channel partners. We are going to enhance our engagement level and take it to the next level across segments, whether it is distributors, retailers, mechanics, workshops. Especially workshops will be focusing big time onto this, and also we'll be deploying a lot of digital tools to enhance our engagement with them and support our channel partners to take our Mahle brand to the next level.
Perfect. And this being ACMA Automechanica's largest exhibition and the biggest show here in India, how excited are you and what excites you further for the automotive aftermarket for the rest of the year, 2026?
Yes, this exhibition is a great event. I must say that this year it's the first time that we have this bigger scale. More than 800 different exhibitors are participating in this event, plus 20 different countries. So we are very excited, and our also message in this year ACMA Automechanika is that the workshop heroes concept. So we already launched this workshop heroes campaign last year. The idea is to put the mechanics and workshops under the spotlight, because we believe that they are the main demand generator perspective for the complete automotive aftermarket ecosystem. That's why we want to support them moving forward. We want to be closer to them, to understand their challenges, to understand their needs, so that we can reflect all these requirements into our internal processes and to make our Mahle products more effective and more acceptable in the market by the mechanics and the end users.